Material loss considerations: at low data rates, signal losses due to impedance mismatches, dielectric absorption, and conductor losses from the material. So, controlled impedances trace manages. That means that if you have a controlled impedance in the trace, that could manage based on the trace geometrics, separations of the traces, and the routing how you wrote in the PCB board on a printed circuit board. Now, at a data rates of greater than 10 gigabits per second and above, the material loss becomes very important. So, controlled dielectric constructions should be maintained here. So, in order to mitigate these losses that is caused by the material and the material parameters, you have to think on some of the parameters related to material like relative dielectric constant, the loss tangent, fiberglass view composition, and skin effect. Relative dielectric constant. So, relative dielectric constant, like as stated, ER, is a measure of material's ability to be polarized by an electric field and stores the electrostatic energy, and as well as its ability to facilitate the signal propagation. Relative dielectric constants would vary with frequency, and low ER or dk from the manufacturer they normally represented as dk, which is nothing but dielectric constant, which the materials will make an excellent insulators and are good for isolating signals on adjacent layers. The benefits of a lower dielectric constants would be a better insulations, faster signal propagation through the material, high trace impedances for a given trace geometry, and a smaller stray trace capacitance. Those will be some of the benefits of using a low dielectric constant, which is ER or dk. Also, the dielectric constant of a material is generally a function of its frequency. So, when you design a board, as a board designer, you should get the dk value at high frequency range for using the high data rate signal on the board. There are also different harmonics that can cause signal loss from both reflections and phase distortions. It is called phase jitter, because signals will have different harmonics. And you should keep in mind that the dielectric, choose a lower dielectric constant material which has a flat frequency response for best signal performance and to minimize the signal distortions and phase jitter. Loss tangent. So, this is one of the material parameters that we should consider. The loss tangent, it is a measure of signal loss as the signal propagates down the transmission line. So, material data sheet when we choose and the PCB manufacturer commonly will refer this signal loss as a dissipation factor, DF. The loss tangent or dissipation factor is the result of electromagnetic wave absorption by the dielectric material. So, a lower loss tangent results in more of the original transmitted signal getting through to its destination, which is good. So, you prefer a low loss tangent should be low for a better transmitted signal to get to the receiver end. And this is very important for a high-speed transceiver based design where you have multi-gigabit signals that must be transmitted. So, if the loss tangent is more, that means there is more dielectric observation and less of transmitted signal is getting through to its destination. So, this on the comparison of loss tangent attenuation. So we are using different types of board materials, printed circuit boards, to manufacture and support various high frequency signals. The typical board materials what we select is like an FR4 material, which is typically used, and also there are various boards that is used like Isola, Nelco, G-Tech, and Rogers and Metron. So here we are in this plot we are seeing various type of PCB materials or some common PCB materials where with respect to attenuation and frequency, where you could see the dielectric observation that happens due to loss tangent. So typical FR4 comparing, you have more the uh, property is good in Isola or any G-Tech when you go for high speed design. So if you want to design, if you go for a high speed interfaces, then you should select a proper board material which could support the frequencies that you are targeting for.